Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Student, in previous video we have started our new chapter model auxiliaries and we have covered can and could in the previous video. Now in this video we will learn about uses of shall and will. So let's learn the uses of shall first. Use of shall. Use of shall. Generally, we use shall with simple future tense with the first person I and we. First use in simple future tense. Simple future tense. Simple future tense with first person. First person. Now you are thinking about what is first person. So have a look the chart. First person, second person, third person. Generally, speaker is our first person, means I and we. I is singular form and we is the plural form, and you is used as second form, means listener is considered as second person. Now third person is she, he and they. She and he are singular and they is plural. So here we have used first person shall with first person. So we will use shall with I and we. Okay. Second use is we use shall with second and third person, means we use shall with second and third person for expressing determination. Now next use of shall is for command. For expressing command we will use shall with second and third person. Now we will learn all the three uses of shall in detail. Number 1. Shall is used with first person for expressing simple future tense. For example, have a look the examples. I shall go to Lucknow the next week. I shall go to Lucknow the next week. Here shall is used with the first person. Have a look one example more. We shall We shall celebrate her birthday. Celebrate her birthday together, all together. Here we also use shall with first person. I hope you have understand. Now we will learn use of shall for determination. Number 2. Shall is used with second person means you, second and third person for expressing determination intention and intention etc. of the speaker. In the first use we have used shall for expressing simple future tense with first person. For expressing determination and intention, we have to use shall with the second person and the third person. For example, they shall get the best treatment. They shall get the best treatment. Now second is you shall never lack of money. You shall never lack of money. Here through the sentences we are showing our intention or determination, but we have to use shall with second and third person. For expressing our determination and intention, we have to use shall with second and third person. Use of third. Shall is used with second and third person. Third person to express command, promise, threat means dhamki, etc. of the speaker. Have a look. The next use of shall is used with second and third person for expressing, to express command, promise, threat, etc. For example, all the traitors shall die. All the traitors shall die. This is threat. धमकी है कि सारे जो धोखेबाज हैं वो मारे जाएंगे. Now second, shall go there. You shall go there. This is command. Now have a look next. You shall get a reward. You shall get a reward. This is promise. Here you have learned that for expressing command, promise, threat, we have to use shall with second and third person. Now we will learn the use of will. Student, now we will learn use of will. Have a look. Use of will. The first use of will is, we will use will in simple future tense. In simple future tense with second person and third person. Will is used in simple present tense with second and third person. You, he, she and they, it are your third person. Now the second use of will, it is used for determination. And next use of will is ness and intention. And last use of will is, it is used for request. Now we will read use of will in detail. The first use of will is, it is used in simple future tense with second and third person. For example, you will go to market. Number 2, she will buy some books. Student, here you have seen that will is used with second person and third person. Now we will talk about use of will for determination. For expressing determination, will is used with first person. Have a look. Number 2, will is used with first person. First person means I and we. First person to express determination. For example, we will do or die. This we will do or die. This sentence expresses our determination. हम करेंगे या बढ़ जाएंगे. It is used with first person. Now, number 2. I will teach him a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. It is also express my determination. I will teach him a lesson. मैं उसे सबक सिखाऊंगा. And here will is used with first person. Now we will talk about willingness and intention. For expressing willingness and intention, we have to use will with first person. Have a look. Number 3, with first person. With first person. Will is used to express willingness and intention. For example, I will help you as much as I can. I will help you as much as I can. It is this sentence express the willingness of the speaker. Now second, I will drop at the station. I will drive you at the station. This sentence expresses the intention and it is also used with first person. Means if will is used with first person, it can express the determination, the willingness, the intention, etc. Now we will talk about request. Number 4. In interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentences, will is used with second means second person means you, and third person means he, she, they, it. Third person to express request and invitation. Request and invitation. For example, will you lend me your pen? Will you lend me your pen? Question. And second, will you care for a cup of tea? Have a look. These sentences are interrogative sentence and it express the invitation and request in this sentence. Will you lend me your pen? And second is, will you care for a cup of tea? Means these are interrogative sentence and it express invitation and request. Means these are interrogative sentence. It can be used in interrogative sentence with second and third person for expressing invitation and request. I hope you have understand. Rest of the things we will read in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.